Okay, so this is the successor model to the last video I uploaded. So this one I dubbed the ASW BFS-15. So that just means big fucking sub. Oh no, I swear it, I'm gonna get demonetized, like that matters. So what we have here is basically a prefab car audio box. This is for a 15-inch woofer, and I ended up shoving a buyout subwoofer from Parts Express into it, and I don't know, calling it a subwoofer is kind of generous, but it does the job for what it is. And this grill is also a buyout grill from Parts Express. I don't know where to get that. I don't know if they still sell these, to be honest, both the woofer and the grill. And this is just some grating that I found around the house that I put on the port, just so I could keep people from shoving their fingers in there and putting things in there, which is what I should have done with the other subwoofer. But unfortunately, that one's already made. I don't want to go back and mess with that. Too much work. Alright, so this has removable grill action if the grill wants to budge, to reveal a awesome purple coned subwoofer with yellow surround. Isn't that fantabulous? Look at that. It's even got glitter. Little glitter in the woofer. In all honesty, this sounds okay for what I'm putting into it. I might put a link up in the description for the subwoofer, not subwoofers, for the amplifier, the 2.1 amplifier that I keep using in these. But basically, it's a 2.1 amp that has its layout like that. So just like the other one, it's the same exact amp. Sub, tone, full range, master. And the only thing different on this one from the other one, it's still using a 24 volt power supply and all that good stuff. But I actually wired these together so I could daisy chain a bunch of these. Yes, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see if you can get this thing to focus right. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I made 3 of these. The other 2 are in storage over in yonder corner of this dump that is our basement. But I did make 3 of these, and I did daisy chain them at one point. I have videos that I recorded of these just right after I made them, of all 3 of them daisy chained together playing some tunes. I might load those later. I probably will. This channel needs some content. Doesn't have much in it. But yeah, these, as far as, because I did say that the 2.1, these hook up into, let's see if you can stand these up, into the same 6x9s that I had before. So I don't know if you noticed this. So these are actually Q-Power 6x9s. As mentioned in the last video, these are true 3-way. Tweeter actually has a magnet, it's active. Mid-range has a magnet, it's active. And of course the woofer is going to be active. If it didn't have a magnet, it wouldn't work. The grill is a Magnedyne grill, because these 6x9s don't come with grills from the factory. You just get the speaker and that's it. The box is actually a Scoshi box. It's a Scoshi 6x9 box that I added a handle to. Added some nice little labels to it. And I don't know if you noticed this, but the feet. So I got 4 feet right here, and I also have 4 rubber feet on the sides. So these can pull double duty, so I can lay them, let's see, let's get rid of you. So I can put them upright, and I don't know if you can notice this, but because of my OCD, mid-range is at the bottom, tweeters at the top, oriented correctly, and then I can just take the handle, and there we go. Now it's pointing less straight and more angle. So if the viewers, someone in front of the TV is a little bit higher, it gets a little bit of angle there, and you can set them up with the feet facing each other, and then we have mid-range tweeter facing out that way and all that good stuff. Again, would do a demo for you, but I'm just going to pack these into my hatchback so I can take them to Magwest. And if I find you at Magwest 2018, you could probably audition in there. That's if I put these out, because I may not need all the speakers that I'm bringing, so these might not make it and they might stay in the car. But in the off chance that I do need them, you'll be able to listen to them. So this is Radio Raccoon. Sign out. Have a good one.